A subscriber recommended that I try out this soap. You can get it off Amazon. It's by the brand Skin Light, I believe is how you would say that. But it comes in this recyclable container, and then it's just a bar of soap. The soap is individually wrapped, which I think I kind of prefer just to protect the soap. But being a bar and being in this kind of packaging is definitely, it gets points for being eco-friendly. But they make a lot of claims with this soap. So it's paraben-free, SLS-free, not tested on animals, vegan-friendly, fragrance-free, recycled, and then dye-free. So if you have very sensitive skin, contact dermatitis, or you just are sensitive to certain products, you might like to try this soap because it should be pretty safe. And if you have a fragrance allergy like my father does, this soap didn't bother him. It doesn't really have like a smell. I mean, it does smell, but like I couldn't tell you what the smell is at all. Skin Light Hair and Whole Body Soap contains ingredients that promote hair growth, increase scalp and blood circulation. The proprietary formula can control sebum production, help maintain healthy hair and skin by promoting a balance of cleansing, protection, repair, moisture, and nourishment. So that's all that. It has keratin, collagen, and vitamin C. So again, really great if you have sensitive skin. And I don't really have sensitive skin, but I have found that I used to use a salicylic acid cleanser like every single day, and I think that was too harsh for my skin. So I switched to a gentle cleanser, and my skin definitely does like to use a gentle cleanser, and then I just use the salicylic acid cleanser like twice a week to help with oil control, because salicylic acid is supposed to help control all that. So let's get into the different things and what this soap can do for you based on the ingredients. So with keratin helps, you probably have heard of keratin for hair. I've never ever thought of putting like keratin on skin and what health benefits could come from putting keratin on your skin. I thought it was just a hair ingredient. But skin actually strengthens skin cells, helps with elasticity, so it's going to help with fine lines and wrinkles. And the keratin can also help keep your skin hydrated and reduce moisture loss. My dog wants out. What was I saying? Oh yeah. Keratin protects your skin cells from mechanical stress and damage. So a lot of kind of similar to what it will do for your hair. With your hair, it's supposed to help moisturize and prevent breakage and all of that. So kind of similar to what it will do for your skin and hair, kind of the same thing. But I had no idea. Never, I don't know, I feel like this is the first like skincare product I've seen where they're like, ooh, keratin. I don't think that's really a trendy thing to put into skincare, at least over here in the US. I can't think of anything that I've seen, but I usually typically use Ordinary stuff, and I'm pretty familiar with all of their stuff, and I haven't seen anything where they say keratin, that has keratin in it, that's formulated for the face. And we've already talked about collagen. Collagen, the molecule is too big to go through into your skin. The best thing to do is to eat collagen and take it. So take a supplement, drink bone broth, however you want to do it. And you'll see a lot of doctors and stuff say, oh, well, you don't even need to take the collagen. And that's because the collagen has to get broken down into a specific molecule in your stomach acids so that then it can be ingested and actually used, and a good part of the collagen that you'll ingest won't get broken down, so it will just go right through you. But it's still better to take the collagen than to just try to slather collagen on your face and then hope for the best. Okay, so vitamin C. Vitamin C I have never thought to put on my hair. Again, okay, so Vitamin C is something I never really thought to put on my hair. That's just like with keratin, I thought that was a hair ingredient. Vitamin C, I thought, was for your skin. I suppose it makes sense that what's good for your hair could also be good for your skin and vice versa. But vitamin C helps promote collagen production, and which is a key component of hair structure. And it will also help collagen production in your skin as well. It also helps the body absorb iron, which is essential for hair health. So another reason why you should take vitamin C, especially if you're anemic and you're taking a iron supplement, take a vitamin C supplement on top of that, not just the iron. And then vitamin C can help slow hair loss by inhibiting, I'm just going to say the acronym, I'll write the word down here, but DHT, which is the lead cause for certain types of baldness. Vitamin C is also antibacterial, let me see here, and antiviral, so that's also going to help keep your scalp healthy, and it's going to help reduce dandruff and an itchy scalp. Vitamin C can improve hair texture and shine by making the outer cuticle smoother and more aligned. And vitamin C can protect your hair from UV damage, and it can protect your skin from UV damage as well. As for skin benefits, vitamin C can protect the skin from harmful free radicals, which can damage the skin from environmental pollutions. Vitamin C is a key factor in collagen synthesis, which can help firm the skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Again, another reason to take vitamin C, especially if you're taking, again, a collagen supplement, take vitamin C and collagen together. Vitamin C can reduce the appearance of dark spots and pigmentation. And vitamin C can also help reduce inflammation and redness, which can be common with acne. And vitamin C can help prevent UV-induced damage, especially combined with vitamin E. That's why I like to put my vitamin C serum on before I put my sunscreen on days that I know I'm going to be out in the sun for more than an hour or two, just to hopefully help my sunscreen work a little bit better. You can also buy sunscreens that have vitamin C in them, and you just get 2 for 1. Alright, so now that we've gone over some of the benefits of the ingredients that are in the soap, it has some amazing ingredients that can be really helpful. And I will say, if you're going to, you want to actually get these benefits, you can't just put it on your face and then immediately wash it off, or put it on your hair and immediately wash it off. You're going to want to lather it up, put it on, let it sit for a minute or two, maybe longer, depending upon how your skin feels, and then wash it off, because if you're just immediately washing it off, leaving it on for just a few seconds, all these benefits, you're just washing them off and they're not actually going to do anything. So unfortunately, as a shampoo, this did not work for me. I was so upset, because when I saw all this and I saw all the benefits and how good it can be for your hair, I was just like, sold. I'm already there. Just take my money. I want longer hair. I want it to be like here. I want to be like sitting on my hair. Okay. Must be annoying in the bathroom though. Maybe I haven't thought this through. But anyways, so I was very upset that it just didn't work for me as a shampoo. And let me explain. So it would wash my hair and my hair would feel clean immediately. Afterwards, it would feel pretty good, but then the next day, I would notice that my hair didn't look like it was freshly washed. It looked like I was a day or two into everything. I don't know, how would you phrase that? But my hair was like a day or two old, as opposed to I just washed it last night. I typically wash my hair at night before I go to bed. And yeah, I didn't like that. I didn't like having to wash my hair like every other day, or putting copious amounts of dry shampoo in my hair. It just wasn't getting my hair clean enough. So I thought, well, maybe I just need to use it along with my regular shampoo that I normally do. So I first would use my shampoo, and then just to clean my hair, make sure my hair was clean. And then I would use this soap bar. This is what it looks like, FYI. And I still had the same problem, where my hair the next day would look like, instead of day 1 hair, it would look like day 2 hair. And I typically have to wash my hair. I wash it like 2.5 times a week. So halfway through the week, I'll just freshen up my part here, which I did last night, and I used this bar, and so far it looks good. So maybe that's how I'll use this bar, is just to freshen up my part, but it's just doesn't get my hair clean enough, I guess, or maybe it's too coating. I have a very oily scalp, and I need something that can cut through all that grease and help with oil control. And this just didn't do it for me. I think if you have a very dry scalp and a very sensitive scalp, this will work. At least it will work a lot better for you than it did me. It just didn't work for me, unfortunately. However, for my skin, I think it did something. So I took some videos before so we can see what my pores look like and all of that, and what my skin is like. I really wanted to see, will this help with my sebaceous filaments and blackheads and clogged pores that I get around my nose and chin. And I get a little bit of right here as well on my cheek. And I would say that I think it did something. I took some before footage and some after footage, and we can put them right next to each other just to compare and see, is it really better? When I was reviewing the footage before I filmed this, I do think it did something. I really do think that that it is a little bit better. But yeah, I think I can, man, I can't talk, but I think I can say that it did help with the sebaceous filaments that I get, and it definitely helped better than the CeraVe salicylic acid cleanser, and then the gentle cleanser, and then I've also tried the gentle oil foaming cleanser as well, and I think it's done a much better job than those 3 cleansers ever have at helping with the sebaceous filaments and my pores wanting to fill up with all kinds of junk. So that's pretty much all I ask for in a cleanser, is that it helps with my stupid sebaceous filaments, because I find it just very annoying. So on that alone, I do recommend this bar. It has so many benefits, and if it helped me with my stupid nose, it probably will help you with yours as well. And again, if you have sensitive skin, I think you will be able to use this and will like it. So to conclude, didn't work as a shampoo. Thumbs down. Very sad about that, because I wish it did, because the benefits of it for your hair is amazing. But as a skin cleanser, I loved it. Highly recommend it. Alright guys, that is it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.